Loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I look a little different. Blue wig. I wonder if I could pull this off. Probably not. So this is my take on a mermaid look that I saw on Pinterest. So I will show you guys my inspo. This is the picture that inspired me. I try to follow it along. And I really like how it came out. I think it's pretty simple overall. Most of the stuff you can just get at the craft store and the Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I already did my foundation and my bronzer and my brows. I didn't want to bore you guys with that. So we're just going to go straight into the eyes now. I'm going to use the P. Louise base. This is in Rumor 01. Love this base. It makes your eyeshadow so much more pigmented. To use this Tarte one. As you see, it has all the neutral tones I need. It's a clay paint palette. I'm just going to start off with Journey. So this shade right here. I think I want to use like a cooler tone since we're going to use blues now. I should have probably thought of that first. Going to use this color now, Dunes. I'm going to get a little bit closer so you guys can see. And I haven't even practiced this look. I'm just going with the flow. So we'll just hope for the best. I did put some translucent powder under my eyes. That way if anything falls off, any like fallout from the eyeshadows, I can just wipe it right off. This made me realize I honestly don't have a lot of blues because I'm such a neutral person. So I'm just going to have to use what I have, and sorry, I'm going to use different palettes, but I have to make it work. So just use colors that you have that are similar to this, and even like do different colors. Like my look is pretty much like blues, but you can do, I don't know, if you want to do like a purple eyeshadow instead of blue, you can do that. So just get creative. I'm going to use the MAC 217 again, and then I'm using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and it's this color right here, Metamorphosis, so kind of like a light blue. I would preferably want to use a matte one, but like I said, I don't have a lot of blues, and this has a little bit of shine to it, so hopefully it looks okay. And it's Halloween makeup, so it doesn't have to be perfect, which is the good thing. Oh, this looks really good actually. By the way, my background, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I tried to make it like cute and mermaid-ish, but I couldn't find, I had this like fishnet that was going to be super cool, so I was going to do that, and then the spider webs over, and then the seashells. I put some seashells, but they didn't want to stay up, so did what I could. I don't even know if it looks tacky. Hopefully not. So I'm just gonna keep on layering that blue until I'm at a comfortable shade. I got the MAC brush again, and I'm just blending it out. I'm going to go in with the color Seychelles. I don't know how to say it. It's this one right here. I'm patting it all over, but then as I'm going up here, I'm also like kind of brushing it up. This is an exact blend, so I feel like it allows me to blend it out as I'm going up too, if that makes sense. I'm actually really liking how that color looks. I do want to bring out the shimmer a bit more, so I'm just going to spray it and just slide it. Because I feel like when you pat, it doesn't really get it as pigmented, and when you're sliding it, grabs on a lot more. I'm just going to brighten up the corner here, and I realized I should have probably not brought that color all over the lid. I should have left a little space to put the white. So I'm just gonna lighten that back up. I'm just gonna use this white one from the Riviera palette. Pat it like really close to the inner corner. And now I'm going to take this Estilla palette. It's from their holiday collection, Blue Round, this year's holiday. So these shades are so pretty. The shimmers are really pigmented. I'm gonna take this white one right here. It has like a blue reflex. I don't know if you can see. So it'll blend in really nicely. I'm actually going to take that brush. It was so hard for me to get into Halloween looks this year just because it's still been so hot. Like today it was 90. It's crazy. So it's just like, this month has been like so busy. I don't know. I really wanted to do this earlier. I've been having all this stuff. And my goal was to have it up like before the weekend of Halloween, you know, just in case, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm going to go in with this onyx shade. I wasn't gonna bring it all the way in because I was gonna leave some for some white right here, so I'm just gonna kind of wipe off what I put there. So just, I guess, go halfway. What did I get in here? Oh my god. What is that? How did I even get that brown color? So confused. And the Rivera palette right here. And I'm going to drag that under the lower lash line as well. And I'm only going to take it halfway because once again I want to leave space for the white towards the front. That white shade again. Going to wet it a little bit. Oh yeah, it's way better. It looks more blue, like an ice blue. So now we can dust all of this powder off under the eyes. So I just like brush it off super quickly, that way I'm not pushing it in or anything. So just wipe it off and then I wipe it off and do it again. I'm not going to do a wing, but I'm going to just put some at the top with the Stila waterproof eyeliner. And then I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. Okay, so do you guys see how long this makes my lashes? And I can still keep coating it to make it longer, but since I'm putting on lashes, I don't really have to. Love it. Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. I also have Benefit's products on my eyebrows. I use the brow powder, and then I use the Precisely My Brow, but not that much. I literally just made like a few hair strokes, like I needed more down here. And then the 24-hour brow setter. Love that stuff. It just like gives your brows another life, and it just grooms them so nicely. So I'm just popping on these lashes. Don't really know what they are. I'm going to add a little bit of blush, and I'm going to use the Laura Mercier and Sangria. Yeah, like I was saying, I don't know, I'm just like so not Halloween mood yet or ready. Are you guys feeling the same way, or is it just me? I don't know. I usually really love Halloween, but this weather isn't allowing me to get into the mood. So I'm putting on a lot because. Alright, so I'm going to use two highlights. I'm going to use the one I normally use, this Indiscretion by Laura Mercier. Next, I'm going to use this Rocketube by Benefit. It's like a pink powder. I'm just going to use it right over that highlight just to give it more of a pink tint. That's good on that. I'm going to set it with the L'Oreal Shake and Glow Dew Mist. I almost forgot, I wanted to put this color in my waterline. It's Marc Jacobs in the color ODC. Just a little pop makes it blend in a lot better. So now I'm going to go ahead and just place rhinestones all over. I got these packs too here at Michael's, and then I picked up this one at Walmart. So first I'm just going to get the blue ones here, and I'm going to use the smallest sizes and alternate between the dark and light, and just put it along my eyebrow. And try to not block the mirror and do this at the same time. I literally can't see. Where did it even go? Lost one. Ooh, got one. I have that Selena Gomez song stuck in my head. Ooh. 2 months Bieber. So messed up. So I already placed the ones under the brows, and now I'm just going to place them under my eyes, basically in a triangle shape, and then right here as well. So I'm going to fast forward through that part because it's literally just placing them on and it's going to take me a while. So okay, so I'm just gonna do a pink lip. I'm gonna line my lips with Soar by MAC. And then I'm gonna use Stila and Patina. Definitely want to lighten up this pink, so I'm going to add Perla. Okay, now we're gonna put on a wig. I don't think have I ever put on a wig? I don't know, because I have like thick hair, so I never know what to do. So let's see how this comes out. I just got this one off of Amazon. It's more turquoise than I wanted. I wanted like a light blue, like the picture. But oh wow. You know what, I forgot to buy one of those things you're supposed to put on your head, and then this. Okay, I'm gonna go fix this in the mirror because I don't know what I'm doing. And then I made this little headband. So I got these seashells from the Dollar Tree. It was like a big bag of them, and then I just painted them. Well, I used eyeshadow. Not really gonna go out and use this. So I mean, you can even, I'm pretty sure it will still last with eyeshadow. I don't think it's going anywhere, but if you want it to be more like pop of color, you can do like the spray. But yeah, I just used eyeshadow. I got these Starfishes at Joann's, and again, I just used eyeshadow. They were white, so it was pretty easy to do. And then I just hot glued gun some bobby pins just to put them in my hair. Just added the other Starfish, and then right here I just did a flower and I just sprinkled some glitter. So yeah, these necklaces, I just made them. I got like some hilo with some thread, and then these little things are tube confetti, so it's paper. I got these at the Dollar Tree too, and I just stuck it through the hilo. So that is about it. I think I did pretty good to matching it to my inspo. So that was my inspo from Pinterest. The wig is just like a little bit more turquoise, so it would have been like a little bit lighter. That would have been perfect. But all in all, I like how it came out, and I hope this gives you some inspo. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And leave me any comments down below. I will see you guys next time.